Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so hot right now. I am literally like, do you see the glistening sweat on my forehead? It was 90 degrees today, and as some of you may know, apartments, especially in the Portland area, don't usually come with air conditioning. We only have one air conditioning system in our living room area, and I don't have one for my film room, so it's so hot in here. I could actually die. So this makeup tutorial is gonna be really fun today, and I'm just like really looking forward to it. Just kidding. I actually am very excited for this video today because it is a sponsored video by E.L.F. and it's actually for this very, very exciting campaign that they're doing with cruelty-free makeup artists and YouTubers and stuff like that, which I don't think has ever been done before. And it's kind of like, yes, I don't want to say we're getting recognized, but I'm so happy to see a campaign kind of focusing around cruelty-free makeup artists. It just makes me feel really happy, I guess. So basically it's a campaign with a few different cruelty-free makeup artists, and each makeup artist picked a specific item that they wanted to kind of promote and be like their thing to talk about. Now, I obviously love a lot of different products from E.L.F. I use E.L.F. all the time, but when they asked me what item I wanted to choose, I immediately thought of the Stardust glitter eyeliners, and that is this little baby. And there are also 3 other colors. This one is in the color Seafoam. It is one of my favorites. My other favorite is the sparkling silver, or honestly the copper color is a favorite too. They're all just really, really pretty colors, and they're really easy, like an easy way to spice up your makeup look. And I've used them a bunch before in my tutorials, which is why I kind of chose it, just because, I don't know, like I feel like I'm not really known, but like people love when I do winged eyeliner, and I love when I do winged eyeliner. It's like kind of my statement piece of my face. So I felt like, why not pick something that kind of accentuates eyeliner? So basically the really cool thing about this whole campaign is we, the makeup artists, actually get to pick our favorite charity to donate a portion of the proceeds that people spend on this specific item to that charity. And I personally chose the Gentle Barn. It's actually one of my mom's favorite charities, which it's mine as well, which is obviously why I chose it. But I kind of wanted to get her input because my mom is the reason that I started being vegan and I went cruelty-free. Like, she inspired me to follow that path in life. So I like wanted to choose something that she really liked. And I also really like the Gentle Barn because they don't only cater to, not cater, that's a weird word. They aren't helping just like cats and dogs. They are helping like farm animals and like other animals that suffer with cruelty with product testing, and also factory farms and all that stuff, which I know is kind of a touchy subject, but you guys know my views on that, and which is why I really, really like them. They kind of cover all animals, and also they kind of give back in a way to children in need who are also like abused in their childhood and just have gone through different things that have made their life tough, and they bring in children and kind of help them with therapy, I guess, with these farm animals, which I think is so cool. I will leave a link down below of the Gentle Barn's website if you guys want to check it out. They actually have a really, really cool video that's actually like an overview of what the whole charity is about. Obviously, E.L.F. is cruelty-free and vegan, and they have been since they were founded, which I think is so cool because they're a really, really well-known brand, and they're one of the most affordable drugstore products ever, and I just think that's so cool that they're also cruelty-free. E.L.F. will be donating 10% of the sales made by these little Stardust eyeliners, and they will be donating it to the charity that I chose, the Gentle Barn. And the same thing goes for the other makeup artists, so whatever makeup product they chose and the charity that they chose, 10% of the sales will be going to their charity of choice, which is just so freaking cool. Like, I'm so happy that E.L.F. decided to do this and kind of bring awareness to why we do what we do and why we are cruelty-free. And honestly, the main reason that I'm really excited for this campaign is because Lenny gets to be the main focus of this whole thing. If you don't know who Lenny is, he is my black cat, the love of my life, my little boy, and he got to be in a bunch of pictures with me, and I'm actually going to show him here really quick with his little E.L.F. sweatshirt on. And he is one of the reasons why I went cruelty-free and vegan. Actually, I think I was cruelty-free before I got him, but getting him just kind of like validated that all for me. And I love him so much, and I love animals so much, and this is just really, really important to me. Here he is. Hi, Win. And he's got his little sweater on. Hi, Win. Say hi to everybody. He says, get me out of this shit right now. He's my little baby. And the E.L.F. also sent over this really cute handbag. It says Lenny approved. It's so cute. So yeah, anyways, enough rambling. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the look that I had in those pictures that I'm gonna be posting on Instagram. But yeah, so today basically I'm going to be doing an E.L.F. makeup tutorial, recreating the look in those photos with Lenny and for the campaign. It's a pretty basic look, but it's really pretty and I liked having it on my face. So why not make a tutorial about it? Also, because this is sponsored, I'm only going to be showing E.L.F. makeup products, but I just want to say that there are a couple makeup products that I am missing from E.L.F. I don't have a concealer from E.L.F. and I don't have a bronzer from E.L.F. And as you guys probably know, I've been decluttering my makeup room like crazy lately, so I've gotten rid of a lot of stuff and I just haven't purchased new items that I need. So for concealer and bronzer, they won't be E.L.F. products today, just to let you know. But anyway, so I'm going to be starting with my face since the eyes aren't too involved. I'm going to go in with the E.L.F. Poreless Face Primer. Focus. And then for foundation, I'm going to be using the E.L.F. Oil-Free Foundation, and this is in the shade Porcelain. Okay, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of concealer underneath my eyes. I actually do still have my E.L.F. concealer. It's just a little too dark for me right now. It matches me when I have a tan on, but right now I need something a little bit lighter because I haven't used tan in quite a while. Okay, and then to set my face, I'm gonna be using the E.L.F. HD Translucent Powder. I'm just gonna bake that underneath my eyeballs and on my smile lines. And then go ahead and set the rest of my face with a brush. Okay, and then I'm just going to bronze my face really quickly. And then to blush it up, I'm taking the E.L.F. blush palette. I'm taking this E.L.F. blush palette, and this is in light. And I think I'm gonna go in and mix these two top colors together. And then for highlight today, I'm taking the E.L.F. highlight in Moonlight Pearls. All right, and now for the eyes, I'm taking this E.L.F. Rose Gold Sunset palette. This is what it looks like. It's really pretty. And I'm gonna go in with these two shades right here, and those are gonna be the transition colors. And then taking this first color right here, just on my pointer finger, I'm gonna use that right on top of the lid. And I'm just gonna go right on the lower lash line with those transition colors. And then highlighting my inner corner with that face highlight. Okay, and then I'm going to add a winged eyeliner. I'm using the E.L.F. liquid eyeliner in Jet Black. Okay, and then I'm going to layer the Stardust glitter eyeliner just on top of the wing. All right, now I'm gonna add some mascara. And then to top her off, I'm going to take this E.L.F. Lip Plumping Gloss, and this is in the shade Champagne Glam. All right, and that is it for this tutorial. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Yeah, I really like this look. It's simple, it's got a winged eyeliner, it's got glitter, and it's just not too over the top, kind of, you know? But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for listening to me ramble for so long in the beginning. I'm just really excited about this campaign. It's something that really means a lot to me and to E.L.F. I know they're very excited for it too. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye, guys.